If in spite of all the efforts and regular care, the state of your hair leaves much to be desired, I advise you to make sure that you don't make one of 5 mistakes that destroy your hair. First mistake is wash hair upside down. Washing the hair of this position overly open cuticle scales, which are the top layer of hair and responsible for smoothness and shine. It makes your hair more vulnerable and provokes tangling and fragility. You need to wash your hair standing under the shower, lather only the scalp. The length will be washed with foam. Before applying the mask on wet hair, they must be wrung out with a towel. Yeah, it's strange to turn out the water in the middle of the wash and drag on a towel, but otherwise you'll get a third the effect of your cool mask. It turns out you just waste the product in vain and don't get the desired effect. Don't apply balm on the hair roots. It's designed specifically for the length of the hair but not for the scalp. Getting on a scalp balm can clog pores that will disrupt the sebaceous gland, and clogged pores will expand and may lead to hair loss. When you regularly wind up wet hair with a towel, they stretch under the total mass, which lead to the disruption of the structure and fracture along the entire length. Immediately after washing with warm water, the skin is steamed out. This makes hair follicles more vulnerable, and with additional load, for example in the form of a wet towel, hair easily falls out. It's better to replace the towel with a light cotton t-shirt. I repeat again that washing dry hair upside down highly undesirable. This leads to irreversible damage to the hair cuticle. While drying hair, you should always use a kite nozzle. It must be placed at an acute angle to the hair and dried in the direction from the roots to the ends, a little smoothing your hair. This method of drying helps close the scales and add smoothness and shine to the hair.